The 2025 Ford Ranger XLT delivers a solid mix of power, comfort, and practicality, making it a smart choice for mid-size truck buyers. It comes with a bold new look thanks to the available Sport Appearance package, which includes 17-inch grey-painted wheels, LED fog lamps, and power-folding mirrors. Under the hood, the standard 2.3-litre EcoBoost engine produces 270 horsepower and 310 lb-ft of torque, while the available 2.7-litre V6 brings an impressive 315 horsepower and 400 lb-ft. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, the Ranger XLT offers smooth performance whether you're hauling gear or cruising around town, with a max towing capacity of 7,500 pounds. Inside, the Ranger XLT's SuperCrew cab provides a roomy and well-designed interior with thoughtful storage and user-friendly tech. A standard 10-inch touchscreen offers access to Ford's latest infotainment system, while an optional 12-inch screen and wireless charging pad add a more premium feel. The cabin is quieter than before, and the ride quality is improved, making it a comfortable daily driver. Standard safety features like blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking come with the Co-Pilot 360 suite, while higher trims can add adaptive cruise control and a 360-degree camera. Overall, the 2025 Ranger XLT is a versatile and well-rounded truck that's easy to live with, whether you're on the job or off the beaten path.